These 7 remarkable body transformations will definitely inspire your fitness journey. Number 7. This is Koos Alzemgeest, and he's an 18-year-old boy who, although previously being shredded, succumbed to an unhealthy lifestyle, gaining 50 pounds in just 7 months.
I'm challenging you to a 90-day challenge where we're going to get you as shredded as possible in 90 days.
Weighing 248.5 pounds, Koos quickly accepted the challenge to get shredded in 90 days. But can he achieve it? Despite working 2 jobs and attending school, his work rate increased dramatically over the next few days. However, despite consistent exercise, weightlifting and dieting, Koos's weight seemed to be the same.
Currently day 16, I'm tired as hell.
Everything started to make sense as soon as we started looking at his sleep.
It was later discovered that his muscles weren't getting enough rest, and soon he started getting more sleep. And once he began that, he was able to lose 10 pounds in 30 days. After 60 days, he had lost 21.3 pounds and could do this. And in 90 days, Koos lost 33.5 pounds and could do this. In 90 days, he had gone from this to this. Number 6.
I didn't care at all whether I'd live another day.
If you're looking for inspiration to begin your fitness journey, Jordan Graham's story may be the one for you. Weighing over 400 pounds and fitting into a 5XL size, he was on the road to eat himself away.
I just gave up. I gave up on life. I felt some comfort when I would eat, so my eating, just became really problematic.
All of that changed on a 3 a.m. spring night in 2008 when he was in a serious car accident and struggled to get out of the wreck.
Maybe there's a reason. When I was right there at the scene and I realized that something has to change.
Within a few days of the accident, he began walking and cutting off all junk.
Let's cut out the junk food. No more fast food, no more drive-thrus.
He shed 40 pounds in the first month, 100 pounds after 8 months, and 200 pounds after a while. And he did it without lifting much.
So I spent about 3 years training for powerlifting, actually, so I could get stronger. And I pushed myself way beyond anything I thought I could do.
Jordan quickly progressed from an overnight kid to a bodybuilder. His life has taken a complete 180-degree turn.
I changed my career. I became a trainer. I now do motivational speaking as well, so I get to kind of share a little bit about my story impacting the lives of others.
Number 5. 14 years old and weighing 185 pounds. This is the 2 years weight loss journey of Mad Sani. Mad began with a home routine and progressed to weightlifting, which he did consistently. And in no time, the result was becoming obvious. He was no longer the chubby kid. In 2 years, Mad had lost 30 pounds and gained muscles, boosting his strength and endurance. Number 4. More powerful than you realize, and if you doubt it, Unni's 3-month transformation should convince you. For this movie role, the actor gained 205 pounds, causing his agility and stamina to deteriorate. In any case, he soon set out to change, and his transformation was far too remarkable. In just 3 months, he was unrecognizable. Number 3.
Now I'm fat. I'm 85 kilograms. So I'm going to lose weight.
At age 35, and according to Hugh, this is his last chance at getting healthy, so he's going to give it his all. His first day did not go as planned, although he did lose 2 kilograms. Enthusiastic and intentional about losing weight, he soon made tremendous progress. Hugh had shed 48 pounds in 5 months and had a body transformation he had never dreamed of. Number 2. Kevin Magnussen's physique transformation from 16 to 19 years was remarkable, and it was a result of his consistency and decision to transform his life. He made sure to eat more and lift more. Constantly giving it his all, Kevin pushed beyond his limit in the gym. And in 2.5 years, Kevin's physique and strength were astonishing. Number 1. Wanting to set a better example for their daughters, Jasmine and Jeremy made the decision to undergo a body transformation like never before. Besides from going to the gym to work out, they strongly improved their diet, changing a lot in their eating habits. In any case, they gave it their all. After all, they gained it together. They might as well lose it together.
So I've lost 125 pounds in just under 14 months.
And I lost 95 pounds in under 14 months.
Losing that much weight in 14 months left some excess skin on Jasmine, and she had that removed. And post-surgery, she had gone from this to this. The transformation was remarkable. What do you think about these 7 body transformations? Do you feel inspired enough? Let me know in the comment section.